start an ABA therapy practice? Part 1, understanding the market. While there's no lack of opportunity, the competition for new ABA clinics is fiercer than ever. So make sure you understand things like your competitors, other local and multi-state clinics, practices, and franchises. Remember, local practices are the pillars of community well-being and sector growth. Part 2, develop a business plan. Be sure to secure your funding. Are you self-funding or using investors, loans, or grants? Include your value proposition, your mission statement, your vision, and your financial forecast. Target market insights and competitor analysis, and your unique selling points. A business plan will help you create a clear roadmap for your business and track your goals. It's also needed by investors to verify your credibility. Part 3, register your business. First, decide if you're going to be a sole proprietor, partnership, or LLC. Remember that an LLC will offer legal protection to operate with peace of mind. Consider consulting lawyers and accountants to help you understand the pros and cons of each, and then register your business with the IRS. Part 4, policies and contracts. You're going to want to consider external and internal facing documents. Examples of external include parent and payer contracts, and internal documents such as HR contracts, policies, and procedures. Part 5, find the right location. Decide if you're going to have services in-home, in a clinic, remote, or a combination of all. If you need office space, make sure to find a place to rent or buy. Part 6, choosing a name. When you're choosing a name, make sure it's easy to spell and easy to remember. Check that it's unique with your state's business registry. The name should describe what you do, but don't be too specific. This could limit your future development. If it is abstract, check the meaning in different languages. Check your domain availability. Try to get a .com that doesn't have any dashes or numbers in it. Part 7, insurance and enrollment. Each insurer has different requirements, payout timings, and reimbursement rates. Create the right insurance contracts in your network to maintain control of your cash flow, and understand the credentialing process. This can be very time-intensive, so make sure to plan ahead. Part 8, establish a team. Think about who you want on your team. Who is going to work with your clients directly? Are you going to have clinical supervisors? What about any admin staff that you need, including billing staff? Think about delegating tasks to contractors, accountants, IT professionals, and possibly attorneys. Part 9, invest in the right technology. Consider using a practice management solution, like Rethink, to maintain your client records, schedules, data, and even billing. If you're going to be providing telehealth services, also consider a platform that is HIPAA compliant. Part 10, devise a marketing plan. Make your business visible, accessible, and discoverable. Decide on your brand voice and visual identity. Build a website and focus on search engine optimization. Gain visibility with a Google business profile, and create a social media community. Generate reviews and testimonials, but make sure you are adhering to the BACB Code of Ethics. Network with other practices and providers.